Hello students, I hope you all are staying healthy and safe. Welcome in SST class of 6th standard, day 1. Today we are going to start with a new chapter of geography, chapter number 3, water bodies. In this chapter, we will discuss oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, water bodies, pollution and conservation. And in today's class, we will discuss introduction of water bodies, oceans. In oceans, we will discuss Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. So students, before we proceed further, I would like to discuss important terms. Number 1, resources means things that satisfy our needs. Number 2, hydrosphere means the part of the earth covered with water, for example, ocean, sea, river, etc. Number 3, renewable resources means the resources which can be renewed, for example, water, air, etc. Number 4, hydrological cycle. Hydrological cycle is the continuous random motion of water from the earth to atmosphere and then back to the earth's surface in the form of rain, snow, etc. Number 5, atmosphere means blanket of air that surrounds the earth. Number 6, lithosphere means the part of the earth covered with land, for example, mountains, plains, etc. Number 7, reservoir means natural or artificial lake in which water is stored. Number 8, trench means a long, narrow, deep depression in the ocean. And last, number 9, hydroelectricity means electricity produced by falling water. Students, as we all know how important water is to us. 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. This water is distributed throughout the planet in various forms and shapes called the various water bodies. These water bodies different in size from huge ones like oceans, seas and to the small ones like ponds. So students, in this chapter we will discuss various types of water bodies on the earth. Now students, take out page number 33 of your book, lesson number 3, water bodies. Now let's start reading. Resource is everything present in the environment which can be used to fulfill our need. Students, mark this line. This is the definition of resource. Here environment means surrounding, or you can also say that resource means things that satisfy our needs. Water is an essential source of our life. Students, here essential means important. We cannot think of our life without water. More than 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Due to the presence of water, the earth is often called water planet or the blue planet. Students, as we already know, water is used for drinking, washing, cultivation of crops and various other uses. And the earth is often called the watery planet or the blue planet because nearly 71% of its surface is covered with water. Next, the earth appears blue from the space because of the presence of large number of water bodies on earth. Water bodies are the natural structures that contain water. All the water present on the earth is found in oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, ponds, etc. These water bodies collectively form the hydrosphere. Students, mark the word hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means the part of the earth covered with water. For example, ocean, sea, river, etc. Next, water is a renewable resource. Students, mark the word renewable. Renewable means the resource which can be renewed. It means which we can use again and again, like water, air, solar energy, plants, etc. Next, it is a cyclic process in which water changes its states, that is, from liquid to gaseous state, gases to solid or liquid state, and so on. The changing state of water is the hydrological cycle. Students, mark this word hydrological cycle. It means it is the continuous random motion of water from the earth to atmosphere and then back to the earth's surface in the form of rain, snow, etc. The hydrological cycle refers to the circulation of water within the earth's atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere in different forms, that is, liquid, solid and gaseous form. Students, mark the word atmosphere. Atmosphere means blanket of air that surrounds the earth. Hydrosphere means the part of the earth covered with water. And lithosphere means the part of the earth covered with land. Due to hydrological cycle, water exists in three states: solid, liquid and gas, that is, snow, water and water vapor. Now students, next we will discuss oceans. Mark the word oceans. Oceans means huge water bodies. The oceans are the base of the hydrological cycle. The maximum amount of water is found in the vast oceans. Students, here vast means big. Oceans are the huge reservoir of water. Here huge means large. And reservoir means natural or artificial lake in which water is stored. Students, oceans are the largest reservoir of water on the earth's surface because 96% of all the earth's water exists in the ocean and 78% of global precipitation like rainfall, snowfall occurs over the oceans. That's why they are the base of the hydrological cycle. There are 5 oceans on the earth's surface. They are interconnected to each other. Students, mark the word interconnected means interrelated. These oceans are: number 1, Pacific Ocean, number 2, Atlantic Ocean, number 3, Indian Ocean, number 4, Arctic Ocean and number 5, Southern or Antarctic Ocean. So students, there are 5 oceans on the earth's surface. Like in this map, you can see number 1 Pacific Ocean, number 2 Atlantic Ocean, number 3 Indian Ocean, number 4 Arctic Ocean and number 5 Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. Now students, take out page number 34. Now we will read Do You Know? The amount of water present in different water bodies varies in terms of their volume. Here varies means differ in size and volume means capacity. The table shows the distribution of water on the earth's surface. Number 1 oceans 97.3%, number 2 ice caps 2.0%. Students, here ice caps means we are talking about glaciers. Number 3 groundwater 0.68%. Number 4 freshwater lakes and inland 0.009%. Number 5, salt lakes 0.009%. Atmosphere 0.009%. And last, rivers 0.0001%. Total 100%. Now students, next we will discuss these 5 oceans in detail. So first we have Pacific Ocean. So let's start reading. It is the largest ocean in the world, covering about 1/3 of the Earth's surface. Students, mark this line. This is the size of the Pacific Ocean. Students, Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean in the world and covering 1/3 part of the Earth's surface. Next, it is roughly triangular in shape. Students, mark this line. That is the shape of the Pacific Ocean. Its average depth is about 4,280 meters. The Pacific Ocean is bounded by, here bounded means surrounded, North America and South America in the east and by Asia and Australia in the west. Students, in this map you can see the Pacific Ocean is surrounded by North America, South America in the east and Asia, Australia in the west. Next, there are a number of deep trenches in the Pacific Ocean. Here trenches means a long, narrow, deep depression in the ocean. The deepest trench on the earth is the Mariana Trench, 10,911 meters deep, which is located in the western Pacific Ocean. Students, mark this line. This is the specialty of the Pacific Ocean. Students, here you can see Mariana Trench, the deepest trench on the earth, which is located in the western Pacific Ocean. Students, next ocean we have Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest ocean in the world. Students, after Pacific Ocean, second largest ocean in the world is Atlantic Ocean. Next, it is located between North America and South America in the west and Europe and Africa in the east. Students, in this map you can see Atlantic Ocean is located between North America, South America in the west and Europe, Africa in the east. The average depth of this ocean is about 3,646 meters. Mid-Atlantic Ridge is located in the Atlantic Ocean. Here ridge means mountain range. Students, Mid-Atlantic Range is a mostly underwater mountain range in the Atlantic Ocean from Iceland to Antarctica. Next, it roughly resembles the letter S in shape. Atlantic Ocean provides the busiest ocean route for trade and commerce. Students, here trade and commerce related with business. Mark this line. This is the specialty of the Atlantic Ocean. Now students, third ocean we have Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is smaller than the Pacific and the Atlantic Ocean. It is the third largest ocean in the world. Students, mark this line. This is the size of the Indian Ocean. Next, the Indian Ocean is named after a country called India. Student, it is the only ocean which is named after India. It is bounded by Asia in the north, Africa in the west and Australia in the east. Students, in this map you can see Indian Ocean is located between Asia in the north, Africa in the west and Australia in the east. The average depth of Indian Ocean is about 4,000 meters. It facilitates trade and travel between the eastern and Western countries. Students, mark this line. This is the specialty of the Indian Ocean. Here, facilitates means easy and trade means business. So I hope today's topic is clear to you all. Children, today we have done introduction of water bodies, oceans. In ocean we have discussed first three oceans. First Pacific Ocean, second Atlantic Ocean and third Indian Ocean. Students, rest of the oceans I will discuss in my next class. Now your homework is read the topic that we did plus write terms on copy. Thank you.